Hello kids!
Let's learn about plant parts, their functions, and how to grow on your own.
Welcome to our channel Kidogenie. Are you ready? Come on, let's start. It's a plant. It's a root. It's a stem. It's a fruit. It's a leaf. It's flower. Now, do you know all the parts of the plant? Shoot system. Shoot system means it's a part of plant above the ground. It includes stem, leaves, flowers and fruits. Root system is a part of plant below the ground. It includes roots that absorb water and nutrients to the plant.
Let's learn about plant parts, their functions.
Root. Root absorb water and nutrients from the soil to help the plant grow. They hold the plant strongly. Functions of stem. Stem carries water and nutrients between the roots and leaves. Leaf. Leaf help the plant to breathe. Leaves make food for the plant using sunlight, air and water. Functions of flower. Flowers attract bees and butterflies with their colors and scent for pollination. After pollination, the flower turns into a fruit, which holds and protects the seeds.
Functions of fruit. Fruit protect and carry seeds. They help spread seeds when animals eat the fruit. Let's learn how to plant.
Next time when you eat an apple or watermelon or any fruit, look for the seeds in it. Carefully take the seed out of the fruit you eat. And then, if you don't have any seeds, you can also buy it from the shop. Now take a pot, put soil on it and take a seed and push into it. Give the soil some water, not too much. Put the pot in a sunny spot. Plants love sunlight. It's like their food. These are the steps to be followed. And after a few days, you could see a plant rising up. Plant more trees, save earth. Bye kids. Catch you all in the next video.